When can we say that velocity has changed? What is velocity made up of? Velocity talks about directional aspect and talks about rate of motion. So when we see any change in direction or any change in rate of motion or any one both of this, the velocity has changed. Okay, so I'll summarize it over here. If we see a change in direction but no change in rate of motion, then the velocity has changed. Okay, so let me explain what I wrote over here. This triangle structure is read as delta, and it means, and this means change. Okay, change in. So this means change in. Now, if we see no change in direction while change in speed, even then we said to have change in velocity. Change in both is also a case for change of velocity. Now, an example over here would be non-stop train. So this is a case wherein the train keeps running from one station to the other station at a continuous, with a constant speed. But yeah, every meter, not a meter, every few hundreds meter, 100, 200, 300 meter, there will be change in direction, right? So this is a case wherein the speed remains constant in most of the journey, while the direction keeps changing. When we see no change in direction while the rate of motion changes, right? Even then we have the velocity to change. Example is 100-meter run. So in 100-meter run, what do we see? A person, or not person, quite a few people will start at one end and they'll run to the other end in the same direction in their track, but of course with varying speed. When we talk about change in both, we can talk about any random motion, say movement of an ant. So this is an example of change in direction and rate of motion. In all of these cases, we have change of velocity.